For over 3 decades, Genest has been at the forefront of sustainable concrete manufacturing, using less cement than other manufacturers and setting new standards for the industry. Now, after years of innovation and development, we are proud to introduce G-Mix. Utilizing at least 5% recycled content and half the cement traditionally used in concrete block manufacturing, G-Mix achieves a remarkable reduction in carbon emissions, redefining industry standards. The materials we use to supplement cement result in greater cement reduction than carbon curing methods, without compromising strength or durability. G-Mix products exceed ASTM specification requirements, ensuring the quality and reliability you expect from Genest. G-Mix was developed using proven methods of carbon reduction with quantifiable, verifiable results. Our cradle-to-gate environmental impact has been third-party tested and ASTM-verified, with one of the lowest global warming potentials in the industry. Our environmental product declarations, published by ASTM, provide detailed insights into our extraction, transport, and manufacturing processes. G-Mix boasts a carbon footprint over 65% lower than the industry average, setting a new benchmark for environmental responsibility. From sourcing local aggregate to utilizing a state-of-the-art low-emissions curing system, Genest is committed to sustainability at every step of the manufacturing process. Our goal is to help you build for the future with durable, safe, and resilient materials, while protecting our environment and preserving the natural beauty of Maine. When you specify Genest or use our products in an installation, you're making an environmentally responsible choice while ensuring long-term performance. Choose Genest. Choose G-Mix. Together, let's build a greener future.